saddle used for the horses. The saddle is real and the horse is of wood. This is King Ernest Augustus and another king, George V, and Queen.
Sehr geehrte Besucher, das Museum und der Shop schließen jetzt um 18 Uhr. Bitte begeben Sie sich zum Ausgang. Wir bedanken uns für Ihren Besuch im Museum Schloss Erkrosen. Auf Wiedersehen.
This is the chariot used by the king. Big chariots. Wow.
Das macht dich noch schlimmer.
Magnificent chariots used by the royal people. Yes, wheel size.
Because the houses are big.
Move fast. This is the sleigh used for moving on snow. It's used by the craftsmen. They were quite valuable and expensive.
So your food is
This
not
is
cursed.
the grinder to grind wheat and mustard, and from the mouth the flour comes out. Mechanical, done with the hands of the person.
This is a church, St. Clement's Church.
St. Clement's Church. Churches were very popular in entire Europe. Their army used to fight the tents and the ready soldiers. This is Palki. Palki used to store the clothes and valuables. This is Hanover, and I just want to check out on this tree. Two trees, they're so huge, big, near some university area. Fashion and peak, all tatters. See the dress, jhula, and the singing style in the city center. Don't miss out on this panda. Hello, panda. Ooh. Yeah. Panda view. Today we are at Hanover city, and this is the king of Hanover. Bright sunshine, people ready to explore the city along with me. The fallen eggs.
Kukurmutta.
Yes,
Mushrooms.
these are mushrooms growing in wild. Wow. Listen to the rain and look at it. Wow. After the trekking, we are on the platform waiting to go back home. We are grateful to the clouds that when we were in the woods, it didn't rain. We enjoyed the sun. Now back home. Ooh, it's full of trees. Rain is a very common feature here. Stuttgart, Germany. Biophytes. The mosses which grew in the wild. The smaller level of animals. And just growing besides this is, there was a moss. Where is it? And see the ferns. Can you see that baby fern growing? That baby fern is Bridget. This is the fern. So pteridophytes. So you can see just neighbors. In neighborhood, the lichens, the mosses, the bryophytes and the pteridophytes. And of course the angiosperms. The full jungle is loaded with these angiosperms, the huge flowering trees. This is not mushroom.
That's
This
also
is
cordyceps.
these are the lichens, the pioneers of any propagation. Any barren land begins with these lichens. So that's why they are not green, they are gray in color. Fruticose they are, means they are fruit. Oh, beautiful. See, in nature, how beautiful these lichens are growing on the trees. And this is how they grow. And their roots have got very strong enzymes which melt even the rocks, convert them into soil, and the new plants start growing in the barren land. This is how the nature becomes self-sufficient, gets destroyed and gets restarted again. Let us hunt the wild. These flowers belong to sweet pea family, purple in color. Just rained. And there is a break from the rain and the blossoming flowers can be seen. Beautiful. Bees all around. Going back to the same flower once again. Beautiful. Let me see. Oh, typical Papilionaceae family. Beautiful. Fantastic. And the bees, if you can capture them. Some bugs, insects. Bees are difficult to capture. I found a mushroom.
Is it hard?
Growing all alone. Oh dear. Why are you alone? Where is your family? Oh God. Oh, it has come out. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Mama, you killed it.
See, but anyway, I wanted to study. This could be poisonous also. Oh, where are you going? I can't touch you. Oh, this is the stalk of it. The roots, it's a type of fungus. Oh God, see the honeycomb like mesh underneath that. I never knew that from beneath it is like that. Oh God, so beautiful. Sorry, I never intended to part you from your roots, but now you have come out, so let me see you properly. Yeah, the mushroom, very different type of mushroom. I never saw such type in my life. So beautiful. Thank you. Something interesting we found on the way. Stones over stones over stones over stones. See how people pile up. The longer your stack of stones remains, the luckier you are. This is the belief system. So you can see here, you can wish something and that wish might come true. So see, so many hikers have made their wishes. And if someone destroys them, will create sin for himself. Wow. This is what happens in the jungle. And these are not the new ones, but you know how nicely they have been balanced. Who would have done it? And every day so much of wind blows, it rains, but still they are quite static. I'm not finding even a single one fallen. Oh yeah, that is quite mystic. Not even a single one I can notice which has fallen down, where you can see the stones fallen down. That is the beauty of it. Wow. You can see Anadika there trying to capture these stones. Anadika, I can see only your head. Live raspberries. Delicious and happy from someone's garden. Ah, but it has got a lot of thorns. One has.
Good. Now that means you should leave it alone.
They're protecting themselves.
Okay? Come on, you don't have to take each and every one.
Each and every one I'm not taking. I want to take the right ones.
Okay, Mama, can you go?
I discovered my own farm.
Amazing.
Today we are going to the Method Center, which is a part of the university. See, this is the residential area, and any block, any building in this residential area can be the university building. This is how they have planned. So this entire city is the Tübingen University city, you can call it. And that's why this city is also known as a young city, because everywhere you'll find the students. See the youngsters, totally unlike Braunschweig, where you'll find only the old people. Here we go. My son is going to know from a master's student how it is to do masters and how many years it takes to complete the course. These flowers are of my interest. They are in. I know. But these, I call them cauliflower flowers. They are so beautiful, huge inflorescence with multiple flowers, and they look amazing. Just see, there is something different, not found in our areas, our place like Dubai. This is a better view of the Niker River. We are going for boating, but don't miss out on the ducks, water ducks down, and the locks, wish locks they are known as. Your wish comes true. You lock your wishes here and they come true. That is the faith people have. Oof. And there we are going in one of those boats. This is Niker River. People are boating here. Yeah, and don't miss out on the flowers. Wow, they are just amazing. Okay. River with hanging, beautifully colored flowers with marigold. Wow, and purple. Wow, and all, and bhavra. So beautiful. And see it again. And see, this is Braunschweig, Germany, a tram station. And the beauty of this place is that buildings are very old, and here I am focusing on a building which is made in 1870. Trying to focus, if you can, see the building. See how beautiful it is. Old buildings, old people, very scanty population, and there is Anadika standing.
मैं बाल वगैरह रंग नहीं करता, but I'm energetic, I'm happy, I'm good, I can work. I don't feel any issue.
Mike can.
So thank you.
Not there. Speaking into it.
Let's. I wish the family members to grow and now to look serious things to really build themselves on a path of growth.
Beautiful.
Means investments है या positions है. She is waiting to eat, so I stop it here.
Beautiful. Woo! Love it.
Full stop था.
Okay.
Full stop.
Mama, stop talking.
Okay.
Okay, Papa.
Cake.
Cutting.
Now the
Cut.
formal cake
Huh.
cutting.
Happy birthday. Papa, put it to the camera. Huh. डोसा
क्या क्या पापा मेरा वो खराब मत
ये
कर देना।
नेचुरली है, नो कोई इसमें इनो वगैरह नहीं डाला, कुछ
अब
नहीं
अब
डाला।
इनो डालना भी मत,
सो
ऐसे
इंटरेस्टिंग
बिना इनो को बनाइए।
सो
कोई
इंटरेस्टेड
हाँ।
वो नहीं है।
जैसे नानी जी अपना खेत का
East.
दिखाती ना, अरे भिंडी दिखाओ, भिंडी
अभी तेरे को इडली पसंद है ना, डोसा?
मैं बैटर भिजवा दूं बेटा?
नहीं नहीं, तू बैटर बना सकता है।
पापा